Hello students, already I have discussed noun clause and adjective clause with you. Now I am going to discuss adverb clause or the adverbial clause. Now what is the adverbial clause? An adverbial clause, it does the work of an adverb. The sub clause which does the work of an adverb is known as an adverbial clause. Okay, there are different types of adverb clauses or adverbial clauses are there, like adverbial clause of time, which starts with the prepositions like till, until, since, when, while, after, before, wherever, whence. So they are known as adverb clause. So Kine's adverb clause of time starts with the conjunctions like till, until, since, when, while, after, before, wherever, whence, etc. So hit the rod while it is hot. While it is hot is subordinate adverbial clause of time. Wait till the train stops. So till the train stops is the subordinate adverbial clause of time. Again I am telling you, eat the rod while it is hot. While it is hot is the subordinate adverbial clause of time. Wait till the train stops is the subordinate adverbial clause of time. Adverbial clause of place. So the adverbial clause of place starts with where, wherever, etc. Whence is an old English word, so nowadays whence is not used, so I am not discussing that. Starts with where, wherever, like these words. Now leave it, where it lay, where it lay. So this where it lay is subordinate adverbial clause of place. You can put it wherever you like. So wherever you like is the subordinate adverbial clause of place. Now leave it, where it lay, it is the subordinate adverbial clause of place. You can put it wherever you like, subordinate adverbial clause of place. Adverbial clause of reason or cause. Adverbial clause of reason or cause, you know why. So it starts with as, because, since, that. So the cause or reason of any incident is the subordinate adverbial clause of reason or cause. So as he was sick, he could not go to play. So why he could not play? As he was sick. So as, because, since, that starts the subordinate adverbial clause of reason. So here as he was sick is the subordinate adverbial clause of reason. He did it because he wanted to. So because he wanted to is the subordinate adverbial clause of reason. And result or effect, adverbial clause of result or effect starts with adjective or adverb so, then so that, such that, etc. So she ran so fast that she won the prize. This is so fast that she won the prize. This is a subordinate adverbial clause of result. So she ran so fast that she won the prize. So fast that she won the prize is a subordinate adverbial clause of reason. So here you can see that result means she ran. So the effect or result of her running is that she won the prize. And here adverbial clause of reason, why he did it? Because he wanted to. So why he did it? Because he wanted to. Here you are asking the question with why, and here you are getting the effect of some work. Next kind is adverbial clause of purpose, which starts with that, so that, in order that, lest, etc. So we read that we may learn. Here that we may learn is the subordinate adverbial clause of purpose. So what is the purpose of our reading? That we may learn. So here that we may learn is the subordinate adverbial clause of purpose. So now I am discussing this lest. Lest means not that, or for fear of that, or for fear that. So walk carefully lest you should fall. So lest is for fear that you should fall. So lest has two meanings. Now lest can be used like this way. And here you should is understood. So lest you fall is the subordinate adverbial clause of purpose. So you should walk carefully. Why you will walk carefully? Otherwise lest you should fall. So subordinate adverbial clause of purpose is lest you fall. Okay, now number 6, adverbial clause of condition. So it starts with, this adverbial clause of condition starts with if, in case, unless, whether, provided. These things starts with these things. So if, in case, with if, in case, unless, whether, provided. So these are providing what? Yeah, these are from providing condition. If not, like that, condition. So you can leave it if you like. So if you like is the subordinate adverbial clause of condition. So you can leave it if you like. If you like is the subordinate adverbial clause of condition. So I agree to go provided my expenses are paid. So provided my expenses are paid is subordinate adverbial clause of condition. So it is a subordinate adverbial clause of condition. Now the possible condition. What is known as possible condition? When the subclause is in present tense and main clause is in future tense. So what is a possible condition? When subclause is in present tense and main clause is in future tense. Okay. So if she comes, I will accompany her. She comes. So here the subclause is in present tense and main clause like will accompany is in future tense. Here also you will see main clause is in future tense and the subclause is in present tense. So this is possible condition. Adverbial clause of condition, it is an impossible condition. If the subclause is in past or past perfect tense like this and main clause is past modal like this. So here the if I were you, I would not have done it. Here I were, the subclause is in past tense and the main clause is in past modal like would not have. So this is the impossible condition. Adverbial clause of comparison. It starts with as, so as, such as, than, etc. So he is as dull as he is lazy. As dull as he is lazy. This is a comparison between two adjectives going on. So as dull as he is lazy is the subordinate adverbial clause of comparison. So it is a subordinate adverbial clause of comparison. She is older than she looks is the subordinate adverbial clause of comparison. Comparison means comparing the things. Now I am coming to adverbial clause of contrast. It starts with like words though, although, even if, whoever, whatever, whichever, etc. And here you see though he is poor, he is happy. So this though he is poor is the subordinate adverbial clause of contrast. This is the adverbial clause of contrast. So even if it rains, this is the subordinate adverbial clause of contrast. Now I am coming to adverbial clause of manner, like as if, as though, just as, much as. With these words it will start. Do as you like. This is some clause, adverbial clause of manner. She felt as if she had fever. This is the subordinate adverbial clause of manner. The point is that, means in case of manner, it is like that. That is the adverbial clause of manner, the way you like. So this is the adverbial of manner. Adverbial clause of extent. This is the thing like start with as far as, so far as. Extent means how much. Okay, what is the level? It is the intensity. This is adverbial clause of extent. So as far as I know, she is innocent. So according to my level of learning, I know that she is innocent. So as far as I know, here is the subordinate adverbial clause of extent. So extent is how much. As far as I know is the subordinate adverbial clause of extent. Now student, why I have discussed this types of clauses. This you will not get in Madhyamik like this, but these things will be helpful in doing the complex sentences. because whenever you are going to join the two sentences in a complex sentence or three sentences in a complex sentence, always you have to use main clause and subordinate clause, and these subordinate clauses are of three types: adjective clause, noun clause and adverb clause. So if you have an idea of the general idea about the clauses, you will be able to do the things successfully, means you will be able to join the sentences in a right way. So thank you.